Guys, I wanted to show you this grooming brush that the company sent me. This is a really nice, like professional, thick, heavy, nice, like grooming brush for dogs, cats. You can even use it on a horse. So it's going to really cut through, like get through to like any knots or anything like that. So keeping their coat nice and like free of knots. My dog has got like a ton of hair. She's small, but she has a lot of hair, and it's a job to make sure she doesn't have knots. So I do try to comb her every day, or quite often, I should say. I try every day, but not, I don't always do that. And it's going to like, you could just see the difference from where I have been combing her to where I haven't. And I just gently comb down and get out any of the mats and any of like the undercoating that is going like that, is ready to, for her it knots up. Other dogs, they would shed, so it's going to get off any of that undercoat to make sure that they don't shed. So look at that. I mean, that was like a lot that it came off. So if you have a dog that sheds a lot, this is really good for that. So nice, like for my dog, it's to prevent the knots. So she doesn't mind. It's gentle. She would be running away and like squirming. I'm barely holding her right now. So it's a really nice product. I think it works like, because it just kind of glides, like it does its job. It's like anything else. When you have the right tool, it makes it a lot easier, and doesn't like, you don't have to pull on it because of that. So that's a ton that I got out really quickly, actually. So, I want to give you a nice close look of how the material is. It's definitely like worth the value, because you're getting something that's going to last for years. You're not going to have to replace this. It's not going to break, and it's going to do the job that you need it to do. So definitely pick this up.